morning. It is 9:49. I went to sleep last night. I didn't set an alarm. I just let myself wake up naturally. And I have to add water. That, I think, is my fault. All right. We got our coffee a-brewing. Right, Luna? Good morning. Hi. Oh, you want the chin rubs? Say you were all snuggled up with Brayden. Yeah, you slept with Brayden all night? You slept with your human? Where's Brayden? Oh. Okay. You were all snuggled up with him. Hey, babies. It's my favorite thing. Babies. Maybe they taste better up there. Up. Freaking silly cat. I know one thing, my back hurts, my side hurts. So last night I was sitting in the recliner upstairs, and with my recliner, it's hard to see the TV in the day. I have to the one corner, I have to look through the ferret cage basically. And I went to get up. We watched 2 episodes of Once Upon a Time because wifey had to get up. She's like, oh, I have to get up in the morning. Because usually she doesn't. She works midday. She doesn't have to get up till like 9, maybe 10 o'clock. But she doesn't have to leave here till like 11:30, depending on traffic. And, but she had to work. She works in the mornings on Saturdays. She works like 9 to 4. So she's like, I have to get to work early, so we can't watch anymore. I feel like their tank looks cloudy. Like, especially in this like middle region. Their tank looks a little cloudy to me. I need to blow my nose again. Oh, look at these guys. Look, even with the tanks off, you can still see them. Love it. Love it. I love it. Good morning, guys. How we doing? Huh? Do you guys want a little bit of your stuff? It's probably really loud right here. I'm so sorry. Let's get some sun. I just give them a little bit. Ooh. I don't know if you saw the water splashing out. It's funny because look, their fins like stick straight up when they're eating because they're like on the defense. What are you guys doing? The big old tank, if you guys keep bumping into one another. I'm so happy the Oscars are in that tank. Good morning, Luna. I know you coming to be nosy, seeing what I'm doing. All right. I need to blow my nose real quick. So that was a good blow. It's still like a little congested, but it is what it is. So, God, my back hurts. I woke up at one point last night and this whole arm was like so uncomfortably, like I was dying. Like it hurt so bad. Because it like fell asleep. So, since I'm the only one up, hubby is off until Monday, I believe. Okay. On page 35, it says the present, YOLO, you only live once. This is the same amount in which all history occurred. Everything is contained within it. Nothing lies without. Everybody wants you to live for the moment, primarily because it is easier to sell things to a goldfish with ADHD. What? But where are you actually right now? To answer that, you have to step outside the present moment into a space of reflection. You have to stop time, get off the ride, and look back on it. The only way to really see the present is to be outside of it. So put yourself into words. Freeze your restless subjectivity into crystallized state, like crushing a butterfly inside a scrapbook. See through the chaotic circus of the lived moment to the gems of the relevant truth beyond. Where are you right now? Who are you right now? Ooh. Ooh. All right. First question. The biggest inspiration in my life. My most prized possession, my son. It's not a possession, so to speak, but my son is, everything else is materialistic. You know what I mean? Like, it could go in flames, but I can replace all of it. You know what I mean? I can't replace my son. And my cats, you know? Today I learned, I just woke up, so I haven't learned anything today. But yesterday I learned, to find more patience. Things I should let go of. Oh, gosh. If I was given $10,000, I would spend it on. $10,000 really isn't. What would I spend it on? I don't know. I'm just gonna put, I would save it. Until I knew what to do. The one song that makes the hairs on the back of my neck stand up. Okay. 3 things that are getting on my nerves right now. So the third is in regards to, you know, if a genie granted me 3 wishes, they would be. I would get rid of my Hashimoto's. So the first thing I put was get rid of my thyroid issues and health issues. Have my son's health top notch. No more ADHD, no more executive function, none of that. Mental health, physical health, top notch. And then for my third one, I'll keep that one to myself. The first 5 songs that play when I press shuffle on my media player. I know it's Corpse. It's probably Miss You by Corpse. Hold on, let me say. Okay, so even though I wrote Miss You by Corpse, he was in my top 5, but it was Fuck You by Corpse, Thick Thighs from Priscilla Block, Bad Things, MGK, and Legacy, which are like a bunch of YouTubes featuring Corpse. So I listen to a lot of Corpse. That's my guy. Which I'm surprised Tom McDonald wasn't in there because I listened to him too. So, and I listened to Jeffree Star. Like I have his one album, and that was like my gym mix. I would listen like especially like with your body in a Louis Vuitton bag. He's kind of fucked up. The one thing I want to change about myself is to stop people pleasing. Oops, why did I make the stop people pleasing. Learn to say no and stop feeling bad about doing what's best for me. Okay. If I could have a conversation today with one person from history, it would be... I thought we already answered a question about this. I don't know. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom. So, hold on. If I could have a conversation today with one person from history, who would it be? From history... I don't know, I'm gonna come back. Editor Ray here. So as I was editing the video and I was re-listening to this question, it popped in my head who I would like to talk to, and it would be Tupac, because not only was he my favorite rap artist at growing up, but as an adult and you listen to his lyrics, a lot of people think it's just about hoes and money and sex and drugs, and it's not. He was so insightful and so in tuned. Like some of his quotes, like you see his life quotes places and it's like, damn, that shit's deep, man. Like that's the fucking truth. So I would love to talk to him and just to see where his life experiences came from, and just to see like how did he get so knowledgeable, and he was so young, but yet still have this knowledge and still get himself caught up in the shit that he did. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if that's crazy or not, but that's who I would want to talk to. My life quote: be kind, because you don't know what others are battling. Well, the one relationship I would like to fix Things that make me happy. My autobiography would be called Day to Day. Life, day to day. My favorite little things in life. So one of the little things I put is when my cats play or curl up and sleep with me. Okay. I think, oh, I skipped some pages. All right, we're going to do these next ones, and then the next chapter is This Is Who I Am, and we'll probably do that tomorrow. I feel like I need to hide my book. Okay. If I could give one thing to one person, it would be my dad is with kicking the ass. No, that's not what I would do. I put something for my son. Things that make me laugh. My kid. My cats. My kid and my cats. My friends. I secretly envy if I could be anywhere in the world right now, if I could be a fly on the wall, that's easy. Losing next one. Oh, okay. So that's it. So yeah, so we did that whole chapter. And then tomorrow, well, at some point tomorrow, hopefully, everybody's off of work tomorrow, so it might be, unless they all take a nap, and then I can do it. All right, so it looks like I'm out of coffee. Would you look at that? An empty cup. So time for more coffee, and then I have to edit yesterday's vlogs, and then I'm gonna sit and relax. Well, while I edit the vlogs, I'm gonna sit here, and then I'm going to do some research for some Chinese New Year cupcakes. This year's the year of the rabbit, which should be kind of easy, I would think. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go do, and then look up some recipes or whatever, and I need to see if I can find that one recipe for the thing, because I got the whatchamacall, I got the cake mix. So all right, I'll see y'all soon. I wanted to try one of these because I've never had them before. I've had Kashi brand stuff before, and some of their stuff is okay. I think like with anything, things are hit or miss. So that's like, I kind of want to give the Quest protein cookies a try again, because I think the last time I ate them, I thought they were awful. But like, I like a lot of the Quest stuff. So that's what it looks like. Let's put it in the toaster. So these are cinnamon brown sugar. So hopefully they're good. Okay. So our waffle just popped up. I'm gonna cut it in half. It smells delicious. So on the one side, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter. Okay, let's see. All right. The taste is okay. I'm not digging the texture. Texture's killing me. The taste, like, I feel like yeah. I don't know if I'll eat another one. Yeah, I can't do the texture. What is up, friends? It is 3 o'clock. And I got some stuff going on. So hubby last night, it was funny because hubby last night was like, how would you feel if we got rid of the air fryer? And I was like, no, that's not gonna happen. That's not what we're gonna do because air fryer is life. And he's like, no, but what if we got something else? Because here's the thing. I wanted an not an air fryer. I have an air fryer. I wanted a toaster oven. And hubby wanted, like, at his job, they have a toaster oven because they don't have a stove. They have like a little counter, a sink, and a refrigerator. And they have like a little toaster oven. So hubby was like looking at, oh gosh, he was looking at a few things online. And he's like, well, what if we just got like an all-in-one? It's like a toaster oven, a convection oven. He was like, a broiler, a whatever, blah, 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 blah. So he sent me one online, a dehydrator. Because we have a food dehydrator. He's like, you can pack all that shit up and like put it, you know, do whatever with it. And I was just like, I was like, I mean, that's cool. So he found one on Amazon that he liked, but I guess he changed his mind or whatever. So he went out today to get some groceries and stuff. And he texts me and he says, I'm on my way home. I need some help. Would you come out and help me? And I said, okay. This bad boy. It is a Gourmia, one appliance, endless possibilities, auto French door, digital air fry oven. This is what I'm getting. So I'm assuming it's a little smaller than this actual box because you know they put a lot of packing. So here is what we're working with. Double French doors. I've always wanted French doors. Okay, that's supposed to be like that. Okay. All right, and then here's all of our buttons. We got toast, bagels, bake, roast, broil, pizza, confection, seafood, vegetables, snacks, bacon, wings, fries, and air fry. Temperature, time, dehydrate, reheat, and keep warm. Okay, so here's the different, is this an air fry basket? What? How cool. Okay, this tray must go on the bottom. Where is air fry basket, an oven rack, a baking pan, and a crumb tray. So let's get this crumb tray actually in. right now. Where does that go? Cooking chart and tips. Air fry. Oh, wow. Center, center, center. That's so cool. Okay. I just plugged it in. So Braden came in, he's like, what is that? So he wants these pizza stuffers. So I told him I would make 2 of them. So I don't know if I would do snacks. Oh, how? Oh my God, Callie. All right, do I hit snacks? $4.25 for 12 minutes. And what does it say? $4.25 for 20 minutes. So we'll do that. Let me open this up because I'm gonna put the bake back in. Because I might put aluminum foil on it. Okay, start. Oh, that's power. Snacks time. We'll do 15. We'll do 20 minutes. Okay. It's preheating. It just started beeping to add food. But here's the thing. It doesn't shut off. It's still running. And the time is still running. So I'm going to slide this in on that. Oh, that is hot. Okay. So they're supposed to bake. That is really hot for 20 minutes. So we'll see. So while that bakes, I'm going to use another new gadget. I got this for Christmas. It's a little makeup brush cleaner. Definitely different than what I am used to. Oh, it plugs in. Oh. I need a block. I have to find a little block. Okay, so she's plugged in. Oh, it spins. Okay. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna still prepare my brushes how I normally would. I take scalding ass hot water. I have a big cup. I put, I was gonna say bleach, alcohol in there. And then I'm gonna take some of that hot water and put it in here with some of my Johnson's baby shampoo. So I'm gonna do that real quick. We got some hot water and we got the alcohol in it. So I'm just gonna start piling my brushes in here because they all need a good cleanse. Like all the brushes. Like look at, they need a good cleansing. Oh, look at all the pretty colors and the shades and woo! Even these little ones, especially the. Why does my phone keep shutting off? Okay, so I have my other cup with super hot water, but I am gonna add, it said fill this halfway. All right, and then add the cleanser. Okay, so let me move you guys. So I'm gonna turn this on. All right, let's get a big brush, bigger. I think if I don't know. Like, I don't know if it's really I feel like if I spin it the other way, they might still get clean. All right, let's try. Okay, so this one's definitely dirty. So I'm wondering if I spin it the opposite way, if it'll get clean. I mean, it seems like it got pretty clean. All right, here's a big boy. Oof. This one's a big boy. I'm sure you could probably get this off Amazon. Hopefully you guys can see, because I can't see if y'all can see. All right. I guess we'll find out. I mean, they seem like they're cooking. It says they have like 10 minutes left. I just turned it down from 10 minutes to 5 minutes. So, all right, I'm gonna clean my brushes and then I'll check back in with y'all. Okay, so I'm sitting here. This is like gonna be my second time cleaning that. I'm getting ready to clean it. And this finished. So I'm gonna open my little doors here. I mean, they sizzling. All right. Let me hold this. Let me say. They are very hot, but the cheese didn't really melt, but they're cooked. Okay. This is now the third water change. I've done it twice. This is now, I just put fresh water in there for the third time. So, all right, I'm gonna go give this to my son, see how he likes them. And I'm gonna get back to cleaning my brushes, which is already, oh shit. Okay, I didn't get on his food. I'm already almost halfway done, so that's pretty cool. Otherwise, I'd still be standing here scrubbing my brushes, so good to know. Okay, all my brushes are clean. The green, for some reason, these ones right here, like that one and that one, I used that green in Jeffrey's one collection and they kind of stained, but they came out pretty good and in half the time. So that little booger right there is pretty nifty. So all my brushes are clean and it only took me like 20 minutes. Okay, I've opened my window. Look at her. Look at it. Just so stinking beautiful. The cats are so confused. What are you guys doing? I opened the window because there's the moon right there, but my windows were so dirty, but I opened the top and brought it down. Oh my god, because well, there was also like a second shadow there. But yeah, oh my gosh. So the cats heard the window open and they're like, what? Window? 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 Now they mad at me. Okay, second thing in the new oven doodad. Hubby told me he wanted his French bread pizza. He told me he usually does it at 400 at work for 20 minutes, but it is already thawed. So I did 15 at 400. I'm just gonna keep my eye on it and see, because we might not even need that long. I kind of want to try something else in it, but we have so many leftovers that need to get eaten. But yeah. Okay, it is midnight. It is 12:05. My desk is done. Do you want to see? Ta-da! Let me get like a full look. Look at how much better that looks. Oh, I can see the whole kitchen now. I can see this whole side. When I sit here, I can see. Now over there is my old computer. I am resetting it to factory settings, deleting everything off of it, and then it's going down in the basement. And then my new little laptop. Hubby got me all these Corpse Husband stickers. Just a little mild obsession. I did my cup. So this is a Bluetooth cup, and I'm gonna have to resin it. But I put some stickers on here. So I got those on there. I need to cover it. So I got all my little, like, look at my little Among Us. I love this one. That one's one of my favorites. And this one, these two are my favorite. And then that one's one of my favorites. And then this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then, yeah. So anyway. But yeah, so I have my new computer set up. And then I found a box of these pens with the touch, the little rubber doodad. Oh my goodness. But now I have all my medicine here in this basket with my eyeglasses. I have my normal glasses here. This is now pushed back so my arm is not going to keep hitting it. My lotions and stuff, and some of my so this is like my everyday jewelry, my rings and stuff, my badge for work, and then all of that. And then this is like my books, some whiteboards, some stuff like that, everyday stuff, medicine, stationery stuff, random stuff. Of course, my printer that really doesn't work, but I need to put some of the ink in there. But yeah, so we're all done. I'm telling you, it feels like, I know it doesn't look any different this way. Now, all my collectibles I have in this bag, I'm gonna take upstairs, and I need to redo my whole dresser and put my collectibles up. I really want, these two I'm gonna leave down here. I just need thumbtacks because I'm gonna stick them on my wall over here. But it's my, this is actually my Roblox avatar. And when I saw it at the store, I was like, oh my God. I was like, I gotta get that. And then of course, I was like, I told Brayden, I was like, I gotta find my Fortnite stickers so I can put my Cuddle Team leader on here. But my little collectibles, so I'm gonna leave them down here, but then everything else is going up. All right, friends, I actually did not record a outro, so I just wanted to say to be kind, because you don't know what kind of battle someone's going through, so don't be a dick. Have a good one, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.